Did you hear that? Mum says her inheritance all goes to me.
Do you think the voice recording is a legal binding? The lawyer said voice recording cannot brought to the court.
I, Chen Meiyun, have decided to give all the assets in my bank account to my youngest son, Huang Haohao, after my passing.
Did you hear that? Mum says her inheritance all goes to me.
Do you think the voice recording is a legal binding? The lawyer said voice recording cannot brought to the court.
But this is Mum's intentions. If there is any doubt, we can request for voice authentication.
Is a voice recorded will valid? Follow Emmeline to learn more about the inheritance laws. Is a recorded will legally binding? According to Section 5 of the Malaysia's Wills Act 1959, a valid will must meet the following conditions. 1. A will cannot be made through video recording, audio recording, or any other means. It must be in written form, clearly written in black and white. Second, the testator must sign the will in the presence of 2 witnesses for it to be valid. Currently, Malaysian law does not accept wills signed with electronic signatures or witnessed through video conferencing. So, to avoid the risk of a will being deemed invalid due to mistakes or omissions, it is best to seek assistance from a professional estate planner to ensure that your will is legally recognized by the court. Want to know how to legally and effectively pass down your inheritance? Feel free to leave us a comment to inquire.